So, people were wondering, whenever we talk, people would ask me, talaga bang nagka-cancer ka? Kasi they never saw me looking pale. They hadn't even noticed that I was bald. You see, the first treatment, my first chemo treatment was so very painful and hard. And my hair started falling, so I have to shave my hair myself. Napakahirap ng chemo session. So I asked my pamangkin, ano ang nararamdaman ng isang kinikemo. Sabi niya sa akin, Tita Days, para kang sinagasaan ng 3 truck. So sabi ko, ganun ba? Kaya nung first session ko, so whenever I am with people and we talk about what happened in my life, they couldn't believe that I had been a cancer patient. Kasi sabi nila, hindi ka namin nakitang nagmukhang parang kulay gray yung mukha mo, nangitim. Hindi ka namin nakitang nakalbo. They didn't even notice that I was bald because each time I'm wearing a bonnet. And so before under, the hardest part is when I heard the result of my biopsy that I had cancer and I had to undergo chemotherapy. 6 chemotherapy sessions. It was the most frightening and the most saddest part of my life, hearing the news that I have cancer. So, natulala akong tagal, hindi ako makapaniwalang may cancer ako. But I have to accept it and face it. I have to be strong. So I did undergo lots of blood tests, lots of laboratories. At tinanong ko rin yung pamangking ko,